So good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. In this video, I'm gonna teach you a secret technique in Midjourney. You heard me right, there is a secret technique that I'm sure 90% or 95% of you guys are not aware of this one. So please stay at the end of the video to fully utilize and find this out. And by the way guys, before I get started, if you're watching this on your MacBook, on your iOS, or any other devices, please stay on the video because the process is perfectly the same. Let's get started with this one. So the first thing I want to try out is going to be checking this prompts here. So I don't need to run my own prompt. I just want to check this prompts right here. So for example, let's choose this Santa for the spirit of Christmas. Now I'm going to go with this one. I'm going to go with the third one, okay? I'm going to upscale number 3. For example, I like number 3. Now I can just wait for it to finish at the very bottom part and wait for number 3 perfectly. So this is gonna be the image I upscaled. Now, this being said, simply click on Vary Region, this one right here. So please take note, I'm now teaching you the secret technique or secret feature on Midjourney. It's gonna be called version 5. Now, don't change anything on the prompt. We don't need to type here. The only thing that we need to do is select that one of each. So for this one, I'm gonna go with the square. And basically, I'm just going to hover everything. Now, once done, simply click on that select job or submit job button. Job submitted. Now, just wait for it to finish. This will take around 2 to 5 minutes. I'll get back to you once it's here. So, welcome back. This is the new prompts that we got. In comparison with the upscale I got from earlier, this is it. And basically, these are the new ones right now. Now, I'm not saying it will get better, but to be honest, this is a secret feature that I want you guys to know. Now, depending on the prompt, it will get better. So, might try this one out right here. Let me just remove this prompt that I got. I'm just gonna save it on Notepad so we can try it out later on. Give me a second. I'm gonna pull up Notepad here, paste it there. Now, I'm just gonna create a prompt here. So imagine a close-up, okay? Close-up of the moon. Easy as that. So with this one, I'm generating a specific simple prompt so I can show you guys the difference on using this secret technique. Now, welcome back. This is our prompt right now, or the photo that we got. And to be honest, it's not that good if you're gonna ask me, especially this fourth one right here. And that being said, let's utilize the fourth one. So I'm gonna upscale number 4. I'm gonna wait for this to finish. This will take around 2 minutes. And it's here right now. It didn't take 2 minutes anyway. So with this one, again, same process, Vary Region, and then select this rectangle. If you want to use the lasso, not a problem, but I find using the square or rectangle much easier. Just gonna cover everything, click on Submit Job, and wait for it to finish. Now, this being said, this will take around 5 minutes right now. I'll get back to you once it's here. Now, welcome back to the video. This is our new image right now. This is the one we got from the secret technique I'm using. Now, in comparison with the older one, this is it. Now, you can really say here, or I can honestly say the new one is better, right? So please take note of that technique. And let's try one more example just for discussion purposes. I'm gonna use this one right here, the prompt we got. And by the way, guys, with this one, I'm using this weird value. That's just W. It's basically weird. That's the command there, and simply click on enter. Forgot to use the command imagine. Let me just remove everything. So I'm gonna type in imagine right there. Go to my notepad, copy that prompt, paste it here. Simply click on enter and wait for it to finish. Now this is gonna be our result right now. Let's try using the first one, because for me the first one is the most sad here among the rest. So let's try upscaling the first one. And let's go on the bottom side right there. This will take around 2 minutes anyway. So not even 2 minutes, it's here. So again, same process, guys. Vary Region. And simply click on the rectangle button right here. So the one I like about this one is we don't need to change prompts. So click that one, submit the job, and basically wait for it to finish. Now with this one, this will now for sure take quite longer because there is a lot of prompts. And by the way, guys, that specific command W or weird can be inputted from 0 to 3000. So please try it out. And right there, as you can see, you can have a glimpse right now. And basically, it's really good. Comparing to the one earlier, this one right here, it's pretty sad. Now, if you check the new one in comparison with the secret technique I'm giving you, it's really good. Let me just check where it is. I think I lost it. There we go. Now, in comparison from the one earlier, you can really say this is better, right? So again, based on the first transaction or first trial on the monkey Christmas, there are some times that it's not really useful, but there are times that it's really useful. So again, take this as a grain of salt, try it out. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Goodbye for now.